Disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa has indicated to the SADC Secretariat that he now accepts the SADC position that Zimbabwe will not assume the SADC chairmanship in August this year at the SADC Summit of Heads of States and Governments to be held in Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa was actually responding to the SADC communique of last week, in which the SADC Secretariat reiterated that the regional bloc's position on the past Zimbabwe elections in August 2023 has still not changed. In that same communique, SADC also formally communicated to the disputed Harare administration that Zimbabwe would not assume the SADC chairmanship in August this year if the SEOM report on Zimbabwe elections was not resolved. Zimbabwe is going through political turbulence after the August plebiscite, which SADC dismissed as falling short of the revised SADC guidelines and principles of a democratic election 2021. SADC has since kick-started processes to correct the illegitimacy in Harare brought about by the flawed August electoral process, which should see Zimbabwe holding fresh elections sooner or later. This is today's news about Emmerson Mnangagwa finally accepting the SADC's decision to not hold the yearly summit in Zimbabwe. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.